In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely la vôtre. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about la vôtre. And the possessive pronoun la vôtre can be translated into English as yours, your own, or your one, depending on the context. But keep in mind that la vôtre is féminin singulier. So we'll see some examples. Notre proposition est intéressante, mais la vôtre répond mieux aux exigences du projet. Notre proposition est intéressante, mais la vôtre répond mieux aux exigences du projet. Mon idée est assez bonne, mais la vôtre est plus pertinente pour cette situation. Mon idée est assez bonne, mais la vôtre est plus pertinente pour cette situation. Son offre est intéressante, mais la vôtre tout simplement formidable. Son offre est intéressante, mais la vôtre tout simplement formidable. Notre approche est méthodique, mais la vôtre permet une meilleure adaptation. Notre approche est méthodique, mais la vôtre permet une meilleure adaptation.